Hi, Globetrotters. We're about to drop into some serious adventure fuel. We're talking about those hidden gems, those off-the-grid paradises that most people wouldn't even know to look for. If you're tired of the same old tourist traps, the overcrowded slopes, the overpriced hot chocolate, this one's for you. This isn't just a video, it's a passport to the unexpected. This is your guide to ditching the crowds and finding those breathtaking, heart-stopping moments that only true explorers experience. We're talking about strapping in, hitting record, and chasing those stories that'll make your friends back home wish they were right here with us. So, grab your gear, charge your GoPros, yeah, you're gonna want to capture this, because things are about to get wild. Let's do this. First up, we're heading deep into the heart of the mountains, a place so secluded you almost need a compass and a dream to find it. Hidden Valley Ski Resort? It's not just a name, it's a promise. A promise of untouched powder, of runs so pristine you'll think you're dreaming. Forget those mega resorts with their long lift lines and overpriced everything. This place is all about raw, unfiltered nature, the kind of beauty that makes you want to throw your phone in the snow and just breathe. We're talking snow-dusted pines, crisp mountain air that could revive the dead, and a silence so profound you can almost hear your heartbeat in the snow. This isn't just skiing, it's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Trust me, you're gonna want to see this. Now let's talk terrain. Hidden Valley isn't for the faint of heart. We're talking challenging runs, steep slopes, and enough off-piste adventure to satisfy even the most hardcore powder hounds. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a brave newbie, this mountain has something for everyone. Imagine this, you carving fresh tracks through untouched powder. The only sound your own breath and the crunch of snow beneath your skis. That's the magic of Hidden Valley. It's about pushing your limits, embracing the challenge, and discovering what you're truly capable of. But Hidden Valley is more than just epic runs and breathtaking scenery. It's about the people, the community, the shared love of adventure that binds us together. Picture this. After a day on the slopes, you're chilling by a roaring fire, sharing stories with fellow adventurers, sipping hot cocoa that actually tastes like real chocolate. Not that watery stuff you get at other places. It's about those genuine connections, those shared moments of laughter and stoke that make this place feel like a home away from home. Hidden Valley isn't just a ski resort, it's a state of mind. It's about disconnecting from the noise of everyday life and reconnecting with what truly matters: adventure, nature, and the people who make it all worthwhile. Alright, thrill seekers, buckle up because Snowy Peaks Adventure Park is not for the faint of heart. This place is a playground for adrenaline junkies, a haven for those who crave speed, heights, and a healthy dose of holy crap. Did I just do that? Forget your average ski resort. Snowy Peaks is where the wild things are. We're talking zip lines that send you soaring through the treetops at ludicrous speeds, ice climbing walls that'll test your grip strength and your nerve, and snow tubing runs that make you feel like you're 5 years old again, just a lot faster and with a lot more screaming. This is where you come to push your boundaries, to stare fear in the face and say, "Not today, fear. I'm going for it." Are you ready to unleash your inner daredevil? Because Snowy Peaks is waiting. But wait, there's more. Snowy Peaks isn't just about heart-stopping thrills, it's about embracing the unexpected. Ever gone snowshoeing under a star-filled sky? How about dog sledding through a winter wonderland straight out of a fairy tale? Yeah, Snowy Peaks has got that too. It's about trading your screens for the great outdoors, breathing in that crisp mountain air, and feeling the adrenaline course through your veins. Here's the beauty of Snowy Peaks. You're in control. Whether you want to spend your day conquering every zip line in sight, testing your mettle on the climbing wall, or simply soaking up the breathtaking scenery, the choice is yours. It's about creating your own adventure, writing your own story, and leaving your mark on this winter wonderland. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, explore, discover, and let Snowy Peaks awaken the adventurer within you. This is your time to shine. This is Snowy Peaks. Alright, so you've shredded the gnar at Hidden Valley, you've conquered the challenges at Snowy Peaks, and now you're ready for something different. Something that goes beyond the thrill of the slopes. You're ready to experience the real soul of a ski town, where every corner tells a story. That's where Alpine Village Retreat comes in, a place that feels like a step back in time. This place isn't just about the slopes, it's about the entire experience. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, feeling the heartbeat of the community, the kind of place where time seems to slow down. We're talking cobblestone streets that echo with history, shops bursting with handmade crafts, each piece telling a unique story, the smell of wood smoke and hot chocolate in the air, creating a cozy atmosphere. It's the kind of place that makes you want to ditch your phone, disconnect from the digital world, throw on a hand-knitted scarf and embrace the simplicity of life and just soak it all in. Every moment here feels like a cherished memory in the making. And the best part is, this place is full of hidden gems, little secrets waiting to be discovered. We're talking about that hole-in-the-wall bakery with the best apple strudel you'll ever taste, the cozy pub with live folk music that'll make you want to dance, and the breathtaking views from that secluded hiking trail nobody seems to know about. So buckle up, because in this chapter, we're going deep, uncovering the heart and soul of Alpine Village Retreat. Trust me, you're going to want to add this to your list. Now listen up, because this is where the real adventure begins. We're about to embark on a journey that will take us far from the usual tourist spots and into the heart of the local culture. We're going off the beaten path, beyond the typical tourist traps. This is where the true essence of the place reveals itself, in the hidden corners and lesser-known spots. We're talking about discovering the soul of this place, the local spots that make it truly special. These are the places where the locals gather, where traditions are kept alive, and where you can feel the heartbeat of the community. First up, let's talk about food. Because, let's be honest, food is the gateway to any culture. Forget your fancy resort restaurants, we're heading to this place called Grandma's Kitchen. It's a small, unassuming spot, but don't let that fool you. Don't let the name fool you, this place is the real deal. It's where you'll find the most authentic, heartwarming meals. We're talking hearty, home-cooked meals that'll warm you from the inside out. Meals that are made with love and tradition. Think steaming bowls of goulash, perfectly crisp schnitzel, and apple strudel that'll make you want to weep tears of joy. These dishes are not just food, they're a piece of the local heritage. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you, and you'll leave with a full stomach and a happy heart. Next, we're going to chase that sugar rush with some local culture, because what's a trip without experiencing the local nightlife? There's this little pub tucked away down a side street, the Thirsty Yeti. It's a hidden gem that you won't find in any guidebook. And remember, put all the locations on a map so you don't miss out on any of these amazing spots. At the Thirsty Yeti, they have live music every night, local bands playing traditional folk music. It's a place where the community comes together to celebrate their culture. It's the kind of place where you can grab a beer, tap your feet, and just let the music wash over you. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. It's the perfect way to experience the local spirit, to feel like you're a part of something bigger. And finally, for all you adventurers out there, let's talk about that secret hiking trail I mentioned. It's a path less traveled, but oh so worth it. It's a bit of a local secret, a hidden path that winds its way up the mountainside. It's a journey that will challenge you, but the reward is beyond measure. The views from the top are absolutely breathtaking. Panoramic vistas of the entire valley. It's a sight that will leave you in awe. It's the perfect place to clear your head, breathe in that fresh mountain air, and just appreciate the beauty around you. It's moments like these that make the journey worthwhile. One of the things I love most about traveling is stumbling upon unexpected experiences. These are the moments that truly define a journey, the ones that you can't plan for, but end up cherishing the most. And trust me, Alpine Village Retreat is full of them. Every corner you turn, every path you take, there's something new and delightful waiting to be discovered. We're talking about those moments that make you pause, those interactions that stay with you long after you've left. It's these encounters that add depth and meaning to your travels. It could be something as simple as striking up a conversation with a local artisan, learning about their craft, their passion. You get to see the world through their eyes, understand their stories, and appreciate their dedication. Maybe you'll stumble upon a hidden courtyard, a tranquil oasis tucked away from the bustling streets. It's a perfect spot to relax and soak in the serene atmosphere. Or maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself caught in a spontaneous snowball fight with a group of kids, their laughter echoing through the crisp mountain air. It's these playful, unplanned moments that bring a unique joy to your journey. The beauty of a place like Alpine Village Retreat lies in its ability to surprise you, to challenge your perceptions, and to create lasting memories. Each experience, each interaction, leaves an indelible mark on your heart. It's about embracing the unexpected, about stepping out of your comfort zone and allowing the journey to unfold naturally, about allowing yourself to get lost in the moment. These are the times when you truly connect with the place and its people. So as you explore this charming village, keep your eyes open, your heart open, and your spirit ready for adventure, and be ready to embrace whatever adventures come your way. Let the village reveal its secrets to you, because in the end, it's those unexpected moments, those authentic connections that truly make a trip unforgettable. They are the stories you'll tell, and the memories you'll cherish forever. And trust me, Alpine Village Retreat has a way of delivering those moments in spades. It's a place where magic happens, where every day is a new adventure. Alright guys, picture this. You're carving down the slopes, crisp mountain air whipping through your hair, and bam! You're smack dab in the middle of a winter carnival. That's Frosty Festivities Resort for you, a place where the slopes are just the beginning of the adventure. We're talking ice sculpture competitions that'll blow your mind, snowshoeing under the stars, and enough hot cocoa to satisfy even the most hardcore marshmallow enthusiast. They even have these crazy torchlight parades that light up the entire mountainside. Trust me, it's pure magic. And the best part, it's not just about watching from the sidelines. You can jump right into the action, whether you're building an igloo with your bare hands or challenging a local to a snowball fight. This place is all about letting loose, embracing the cold, and creating memories that'll last longer than your goggle tan. And speaking of tans, don't forget the sunscreen. Even when it's freezing, those UV rays can sneak up on you. But hey, that's just a friendly tip from me. Let's get back to the good stuff. Now I know what you're thinking. Casey, all this adventuring is going to work up an appetite, and you'd be right. But fear not, my friend, because Frosty Festivities has got your taste buds covered. We're talking steaming bowls of chili that'll warm you from the inside out, gooey mac and cheese that'll make you want to lick the plate clean, and enough hot chocolate variations to satisfy even the most discerning cocoa connoisseur. But the real star of the show? The local delicacies. Think warm apple pies fresh out of the oven, maple taffy made with snow right before your eyes, and enough hearty mountain cuisine to fuel a week's worth of Black Diamond runs. Seriously, I'm not kidding about the Black Diamond runs. This place has some serious terrain for those who like to live life on the edge, but hey, we'll get to that later. For now, let's just appreciate the beauty of a well-stocked snack bar, am I right? As the sun begins to set over Frosty Festivities, don't even think about hitting the hay just yet. This place truly comes alive after dark, with a whole other level of adventure waiting to be explored. Remember those torchlight parades I mentioned? Yeah, well, they're even more epic at night, painting the snow-covered slopes with a fiery glow. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even join in and carry a torch yourself. But the real highlight has got to be the night skiing. There's just something magical about gliding down the mountain under the stars, the only sounds your skis cutting through the snow and your own breath in the cold air. And after a long day of skiing, snowboarding, and general merriment, there's no better way to unwind than by gathering around a bonfire with new friends, sharing stories, and soaking up the electric atmosphere. Trust me, it's the perfect way to end an unforgettable day at Frosty Festivities. Glacier Glades, guys. This place is different. It's not your average run-of-the-mill ski resort. It's raw, it's rugged, and it's breathtakingly beautiful. But to truly experience its magic, you gotta time it right. See, Glacier Glades is all about those pristine, untouched powder runs, and the best time to catch them? Early spring. Think March, maybe even April. The days are longer, the sun's got a little more heat to it, and the snow is absolutely perfect. But here's the catch. Getting there takes a little more effort. We're talking about ditching the crowds, ditching the lift lines, and embracing the backcountry. Think snowcats, helicopters, maybe even some good old-fashioned skinning. But trust me, it's worth it. Because when you're standing at the top of that untouched bowl, staring out at a view that seems to go on forever, you'll realize that this is what it's all about. This is the real deal. Now I'm not going to lie to you, tackling Glacier Glades isn't for the faint of heart. This is the backcountry, people. We're talking unpredictable terrain, rapidly changing weather conditions, and the need to be completely self-sufficient. So before you even think about venturing out there, you need to make sure you're geared up properly. And I'm not just talking about having the right skis or snowboard. We're talking avalanche safety gear, extra layers, plenty of food and water, and a solid understanding of how to use it all. And trust me, I can't stress this enough. Never, ever go out there alone. Always ski or ride with a buddy, and make sure someone back home knows your plan and your estimated return time. Safety first, adventure second, always. But hey, don't let all this talk of risk and danger scare you off. Because when you're standing at the bottom of that epic run, heart pounding, adrenaline pumping, you'll realize that this is what it's all about. This is living life to the fullest. Listen, Glacier Glades is a special place. It's a reminder that there are still parts of this world that are wild, untamed, and absolutely breathtaking. But with that privilege comes responsibility. We have to do our part to protect it, to preserve it, for generations to come. That means respecting the mountain, packing out everything you pack in, staying on marked trails whenever possible, and being mindful of the impact we have on this incredible ecosystem. Because the truth is, places like Glacier Glades are becoming harder and harder to find. So let's cherish them, let's protect them, and let's make sure that they're around for our kids and our grandkids to enjoy. And hey, if you're lucky enough to experience the magic of Glacier Glades for yourself, share the stoke, tell your friends, share your photos, and inspire others to get out there and explore the incredible beauty of our planet. So there you have it, guys. 5 hidden gems, 5 incredible ski resorts, each with its own unique vibe, its own story to tell. And the best part, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other hidden gems out there just waiting to be discovered. So get out there, explore, and find your own adventure. And when you do, hit that subscribe button and let me know all about it in the comments below. What are your favorite hidden gems? Where should I go next? Let's keep the conversation going. And hey, while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out. Until next time, Globetrotters, keep it real, keep it adventurous, and I'll see you on the slopes. Peace.